credit card debt has you feeling stressed, you're not alone. Many families are struggling to keep up, and it can feel like you'll never get ahead. But there are ways to take back control. Consumer Reports tells us about simple steps you can take to start paying down your debt and finally get some breathing room.
I started to feel the crunch when I started to use credit cards for just daily essentials.
For Jennifer Paez, more expenses and less money coming in meant one thing. She had to lean on credit cards just to stay afloat.
I knew that that was a big red flag.
Jennifer is far from alone. Americans owe a combined $1.18 trillion in credit card debt, and the average balance per household is around $6,000. With many credit cards with interest rates above 20%, it's tough to make a dent. So what can you do if you're struggling to pay down your credit card debt? Consumer Reports' Lisa Gill says, try to hit pause on using your cards and look for ways to cut down on monthly spending.
Take any extra money and pay down the debt on the card with the highest interest rate. Doing that helps you save more in the long run because you're tackling the most expensive debt first.
If your credit score is in good shape, you could move your high interest balance to cards that offer 0% interest for the first year or so. Just try to pay it off before that period ends or the usual high interest kicks back in. Try adjusting your payment dates to line up with your payday. It can make staying on top of bills a bit easier. Some credit cards let you pick your own due date, set up automatic payments. That way, at least the minimum gets paid on time and you avoid those late fees. But if your debt is becoming too much, pick up the phone and call the credit card company and explain your situation. Ask for a lowered interest rate and if they offer a hardship plan.
The credit card company may temporarily lower your interest rate, reduce your minimum payment, or even waive certain fees, usually for a few months or even up to a year.
You can also contact a reputable nonprofit credit counseling agency. They may be able to lower your interest rates and consolidate your debt into one manageable monthly payment. That's what Jennifer did. She worked with the nonprofit credit counseling agency Money Management International, which helped her take control of her debt.
They offered me a lifeline in that aspect.
There's another step that really helps. Take a few minutes each week to review your finances, see what's coming in, what's going out, and what's due soon. Catching issues early gives you time to adjust before a payment is missed.